Hello, Lake Havasu City. I'm Mariah with The Bridge, and today I am joined by Parker Evans with the 18 Coldwell Banker Realty.
Hey everyone, I'm with Coldwell Banker Realty and the A-Team, and my name is Parker Evans. And today we're going to be checking out the boats going through the channel for the start of Desert Storm.
That's right, Desert Storm 2023 boat parade, and we are right here to capture all of the action.
Yeah, so we're going to be going over all the boats going through and tell you some details about some of the boats.
Oh my gosh, I think they're getting ready to start.
Oh yeah. So right now we've got some M35s going through. Looks like Bill Cannon and Mark Marino in the M31.
That's incredible.
Those boats will push about 150 to 175, depending on the driver and the day. I don't know if you can see this big white 53 HCB right now. There's a Godfrey in front of it, but that boat is normally down in Key West, or actually Miami. It takes it down to Key West sometimes. But it's great to see that in Havasu for the first time. I don't think we've ever seen an HCB in Havasu.
Yeah.
And we got a 53-foot HCB here today, so
wow,
that's really rare to see.
For Havasu waters?
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. We have the Mojave County Sheriffs.
Yep. As you can see, the crowd's going wild.
Start of the parade.
Yes.
We've got this beautiful silver boat.
Yeah.
I can't tell what boat it is. It resembles almost a Riva.
I don't know whose boat it is, but it should definitely be named the Silver Bullet. That's gorgeous.
Yeah, Silver Bullet, yeah. That's a great name. And right next to it, we've got the M31.
It's a very pretty color for it. Silver, blue, and black. Nice.
Yeah, that boat will do about 150.
About? It's not all, Parker. It's just about. That's a pretty high speed.
Especially on the water. You're really moving on the water.
Oh, yeah. I think that would be
so
a
different
fun
than on
one.
land, yeah.
Yeah, that'd be a fun one to take out when you have just a
and look at this.
Wow.
The 50-foot MTI.
That's
we got
beautiful.
that guy Brian's boat right here.
What's his name?
Brian.
Wow.
That guy Brian. That's his.
That guy Brian.
That's where you can find him on Instagram.
Nice.
That guy Brian. Yes. 50-foot MTI, brand new, about maybe a year old.
Yeah, there's this blue and green boat right here.
That's a beautiful boat.
It's really beautiful, yeah.
And I bet it moves really good. Probably 200. Depending what's in there.
Yeah.
I want to say it's an Outer Limits.
An Outer Limits. The Frisco Cat rolling in.
Oh, the Nortec. Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
Here's a patriotic boat.
Nice illuminator.
Yeah.
The
red, white, blue, and the stars. Really pretty.
American flag.
Yeah.
We got spooled up coming right behind it. One of 4 M44s ever made.
Wait, I'm sorry, what?
One of 4 M44s.
Only 4 M44s?
There's only one open back.
Wow, spooled up. Looks like we have a Magic going through.
Got the Magic participating in.
I think so, yeah.
Today.
109.
Nice.
I think. Not
Depending
certain.
what's in there, that thing can do 100 miles an hour.
Okay.
And then right behind it, we've got, this is a 52-foot outer limits or 53-foot outer limits. Yes.
52
Yes,
feet.
he's got 1100s on there. Oh, you got Tom and Tammy on there too. They don't have their cigarette out. Tom and Tammy's got a top gun cigarette out.
Oh, nice.
It's not here today.
Looks like they're world champions.
Yeah, they come down to Havasu a lot. So we've got a lot of Havasu.
It looks like we have a, what is that, an M31 DCB?
Oh yeah, we've got the M31. Right behind it's a brand new M37.
Wow.
With Jeff Johnson, the president of DCB in the white. He's here in attendance at
Very
Desert
nice.
Storm on the M37 with the outboards. And then right behind it, we've got another M44, the only open bow M44 ever made, DLA in the green. Beautiful boat.
So that is definitely a one-of-a-kind boat. There's only
it's
one.
definitely one of a kind. There's only one open bow M44.
Wow.
Looks like we've got the whole
Wow.
DCB crew coming through.
I was about to say,
M43s,
looks like we got
M44s.
1, 2, 3. 3 different boats
There's
with
DLA. DLA's waving.
nice.
We got Mauricio and Angie.
So we have the M35 on the other side
Oh,
of
yeah,
them.
the
We got
M35.
two M35s.
We got
Beautiful.
3 M35s plus the M41, the red
Wow.
M41.
Okay, that red M41 really sticks out. Like that's an eye catcher for sure. No, it's hard to see from all the way over here, right? Exactly who's out there.
Dang, and we got a Doug Wright today. Wow, the first Doug Wright we've had on camera, the red.
This red and silver one?
Yeah, the red and silver with the
Wow.
twin 450s. And then we've also got, lots of boats out there.
Beautiful.
Wow.
I love when people
These
match
are
their
amazing.
boats.
Wow. I don't know if you see this anywhere else. Like
I don't know.
this, this is awesome. Wow.
We got another
Yeah, where else are you going to see
M31.
all of these boats coming together, going through?
No idea. So
Not just
clean,
one type
too.
either, not just like MTIs or just DCBs. We've got all types of boats out here today. It's really
That's
amazing.
great. There's so many of them too. It's incredible.
And right behind it, we've got a nice skater that'll do about 200 miles an hour.
Oh wow.
Blue skater coming in right next to the orange M31 DCB. Both of those boats will do over 100.
That's great.
Wow. Outer limits.
Very
They'll both
nice.
do over 100 miles an hour.
Over 100 miles per hour.
And they're beautiful.
Oh no, these people here on I can't tell what they named their boat. There's 2 different logos going
Texas
on.
Tea. Outlaw.
Texas Sea?
Oh yeah, so Scarab,
Nice.
another original Powerboat too.
Oh nice. Scarab. Offshore.
Oh yeah. They've been making those for a long time.
Wow.
Competing with the originals like Cigarette, Apache. Yeah, so these V-bottoms, these were a lot more. That's all they had back in.
Oh
back in the
man.
day.
We got one. I don't know if it's gonna stop in time. Oh, there you
Almost.
go.
These
This
are-
guy's getting close.
They're good drivers. They know when
Yeah,
you're in the channel, slower is always better.
Packed right now
Oh, yeah.
too. Oh, we got the Eliminator in the middle over there.
Yeah.
We got an Advantage coming up behind the Eliminator. So this one's gonna be the sleek power boat.
So this Advantage, it's got a new interesting hull design.
Oh
It
yeah.
handles like almost like a tri-tube. It's got the sponson in the middle, so
Wow.
it's like a
That's
cap,
nice.
but it has another like sponson down the middle. So it handles really nice too.
That's gotta give a smooth ride for sure, having
yeah.
that middle.
Where's that? M37 next to the M29.
Nice.
Wow, there's 4 DCBs right here. 5 DCBs. So this blue center console, this is the MTI 50 foot.
MTI 50 foot.
Yeah. It's a 5.450.
5.450. That's insane. I wonder how fast does it go?
It's got to do at least 90.
Yeah.
I think I've seen him get it up to 90.
Wow.
You can see him on That Guy Brian on Instagram. He's got some videos.
That guy, Brian.
That Guy Brian. He's at the helm right now.
So we got a helicopter right above us, so that's going to be a little hectic.
I don't want to put a price tag on it, but it's got to be at least $2 million.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a nice boat. Yeah, so even MTI is coming out to Lake Havasu.
Yeah.
Wow, is that? Is that a 38 formula right behind it?
I think I've seen these numbers go up past 200 so far. There's going to be a lot of people in the poker run.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a lot of participants.
Here's a Sensation coming up here. Very nice.
With three 450s too. And then right behind it we've got this MTI with 450s. So this MTI is the same maker as that center console.
Oh, okay.
But this is the cat version. What, the 34-foot MTI. It'll do probably about 130 miles an hour.
Got a Mystic over there.
Oh wow, we got the silver
one.
Mystic. I haven't seen them on the lake yet. Wow. That's a beautiful Mystic. Maybe it's a new build too. There might be a new build.
Very clean.
Very clean, yeah.
I don't know what this silver boat is. The green and blue.
Nordic.
Nordic?
Yeah, it's a Nordic. It's a really nice boat. The Nordic with twin 400s. Yeah, look at the sponsors up there. Those are big.
Wow.
They can handle ocean waves.
I love that Nordic.
Really tall all the time.
We have a family boat here with the Advantage. The little puppy saying hi to everybody. She's like, I'm the real show.
Maiden edge flight 27.
Yeah. Whoa, look at this one. Good. Yellow and black.
Oh, nice. This flex.
That is a cool boat. I love everyone's matching the colors. It looks great.
All the gear on.
Phenomenal job for that team.
Got the FPC too. They're coming from Florida. We're here from Florida. From the Florida Powerboat Club.
And then we got a banana suit on the silver and red formula. Go banana, go! Love it. I love seeing people have a great time.
Oh wow, we got the Halleck. Typical Lake Havasu boat, the Halleck, living the legend. Wow. A 30-foot Halleck. We got the whole crew on there. That is a perfect Lake Havasu boat.
Perfect Lake Havasu boat for sure. Look at them.
And right next to the F29, another DCD. So before the M model DCD with the single windshield, they had the F Series, which has the two windshields.
Right.
And then wow, right behind it, look at the skaters. Closed cabin skater. Wow.
That's beautiful. I love what they did for the paint job on it. Nice paint job for sure.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, that looks like fun. That would be really fun.
That's going to do over 200 miles an hour.
Wow, that's fast. And I think we're just about to the end of the actual boat parade.
Oh yeah, we got some DCBs coming through still.
Yeah, it looks like we have...
Is this a fountain? This V-bottom fountain.
Yeah.
Twisted. Wow. Very nice boat. Number 152. Poker.
That's very nice.
Wow. Yeah, fountain's also another original powerboat.
Yeah.
Is that a Spectre with outboards? Wow, they got the gear on too. Oh wow.
Represent. They look great. Another good team.
Wow. Very nice boat. We've got some more. Is this the Eliminator coming through? That's the center console and Nordic.
There's an Advantage.
Oh, the Advantage
is that
party
is that the one you're talking about?
Yes.
Or okay.
Oh, and we've got a nice
So the Nordic, the Advantage, and then
other Nordic coming through too. Pretty big Nordic too. Red Nordic.
It's beautiful.
V-bottom, right next to the cat Nordic. Wow. I wonder what motors he has in there. Oh, and then right behind it is the boat we couldn't tell what was earlier.
Oh yeah,
I believe it's a skater.
Yeah.
We think it's a skater.
I think it's a skater.
I mean, it could be outer. I don't think it's an outer line. No way.
Yeah.
Amazing boat. Wow. And right behind it, we've got the power, cam, mower, turn.com. They're participating in the poker run today.
Yeah. That is one thing. There's always a little bit of crazy on this lake.
You know, if you come to Havasu, that's what you can expect.
Yeah. All right, so that is going to be the Desert Storm 2023 Bridgewater Boat Parade for this year.
Yeah,
I can't
so
believe it. That
thank
was
you guys
fast.
for watching all of it. I mean, you got to see all the hot boats coming into Havasu from all over the country.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And thank goodness we had Parker here who knows boats, because I would have just been sitting here like, oh, that's nice. That's a nice boat.
Hopefully I did pretty good and I got them all right. But we also have right behind us and coming in, we have
look at
Booty
this.
Patrol. He is a Havasu local. He's here every weekend. He's always here.
Very nice.
Very nice. He'll always give you beads. If you ever need beads.
Oh, throwing those beads. Gotta love it.
I'm not sure what it takes to get those beads, but
well,
we'll give you them.
And as a reminder, all of this content on the bridge is sponsored by the A-Team Coldwell Bank Realty right here in Lake Havasu City. So we wanted to do a big thank you to them, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and we'll be able to come back next year with more. So if you enjoyed this boat parade, hopefully you guys like, comment, and share, and hit Parker up so he can make you a local. Whether that's buying or selling, he's here to help.
Yes.
So that's your 2023 Desert Storm Boat Parade. We'll see you guys next year.
Thanks for watching.